Let's make strawberry shortcake. To make it, you need whipping cream, strawberries, sugar, and a castella cake. First, wash and cut the strawberries. Second, in a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and mix. Third, in a second bowl, whisk 1 cup of whipping cream and 1/3 cup of sugar together until it is stiff. Fourth, put a piece of castella on the bottom of the bowl, layer the strawberries and cream, and enjoy. Let's slice the strawberries. You want to cut them into small cubes or squares. Use as many as you'd like. Now, add your sugar. We are going to macerate the strawberries. That means to make them soft by taking the juice out. Now let's make the whipping cream. Add 1 cup of whipping cream to a small bowl. Now you're going to add your sugar. Make sure it's a full scoop of sugar. Now you're going to whisk the sugar and the whipping cream together. It will take a while, but you want to whisk it until it's stiff, like this. Now get your castella cake. You only need 1 piece, 2 if you really want it. Put the cake in your bowl. Now you can layer your strawberry shortcake. I like to put a little cream on first, and then you can add the strawberries. Make sure to use the juice. It makes the cake taste very good. Add on more cream and you're done.